Couple reminders, we're looking for sine. Our amplitude is 3, so I can draw that right away. But there was a negative in front. So that means everything that was positive is negative and everything that was negative is positive. So this actually moves down here, this moves up here, and we reflect about the x-axis. So I'm going to erase the original just so that we're not confused. That would be sine of x, but we have pi x. So again, the coefficient or the multiplier of x is always our b. So I have the period equal to 2 pi over pi, or just 2. So that means one full cycle is complete in 2, so I'm going to label this as 2. Again, I didn't label because I wanted to adjust for my period. Well, half of 2 is 1, and half of 1 is a half, and halfway between 1 and 2 is 1.5, or 3 halves. Again, we really just got rid of the pi, didn't we? Because the pi canceled out. And so now you see negative 3 sine of pi x. Getting easier the more and more you do.